Dear viewers, listeners, and readers. Assalamu alaikum. There are different laws and rules in public and private sectors which govern the service of employees. The procedure of making laws and rules is mainly also different. The employees of public sector are either paid from Federal Consolidated Fund or Provincial Consolidated Fund. Contrary to it, the employees of private sector get their salaries from employer who has established company/organization. The employees of public and private sectors oftenly fall in confusion how to know about the laws, rules, and regulations governing their respective service. In such condition they remain unaware of their duties and rights. Consequently, they fall prey to confusion and remain handicapped to ensure service delivery as required. Sometimes they lose their jobs. In order to sensitize the employees, this lecture series has been prepared. I hope that the series will help the employees to understand different dynamics/aspects of their employment and get them prepared for discharging their duties and responsibilities with peace of mind and up to the optimum level with efficiency and dedication. Only knowledge of laws and rules is not enough. Besides it, employee must be given exposure to new trends pertaining to his/her job. Capacity building is also essential to upgrade the potential of employee. Moreover, conducive office environment is also necessary to encourage employee to discharge one's duties patiently and soberly. It may help employee to deal with public aimed at resolving their problems. In case an employee desired to present lecture on a topic of one's interest, such employee may inbox the topic. Utmost efforts will be made to quench the thirst and ward off confusion of an employee. Today lecture number 3 of the series is presented to honorable viewers, listeners, and readers. Topic of the lecture is Institutional Development and Success of Organization. Company or organization comes into existence. It is easy to have inception, but it is difficult to maintain its breath in this age of competition. Entities remain alive until they have firm foundations and keep change with the passage of time. They accept the new challenges and devise strategy to face them. It has oftenly been observed that entities are registered with appropriate agency and follow the conditions based on the document. They do not make subsequent mother document having proper structure, implementation strategy, responsibilities, and safeguards to employees, capacity building of staff, providing conducive working environment and maintaining relationship with the sister organizations, etc. Without it, the entities may function in chaos and anarchy. Such situation may cause dominance of the owner, and employees may also be at risk. Their loyalties may focus pleasure of the owner and not success of the organization. Hire and fire of staff will be common. In this scenario, organization suffers a lot. Firstly, only 2 or 3 persons in top management continue to work based on acting on the instructions of the owner. They may make suggestions on the directives of the owner. Secondly, the organization deprives itself from experienced hands. Only new blood is not enough for the organization, but experience matters a lot. Thirdly, targets of the organization become difficult to achieve. Fourthly, such persons approach the organization for employment who wants to pass transitory period of unemployment. They will always remain in search of other employment opportunities. Fifthly, the reputation of the organization in the market may suffer badly. Lastly, decline of such organization may follow. If employees will invest their capability to the organization, it will ultimately benefit the owner and the organization. It may reverse the above-mentioned situation. No one may create hurdles in success of the organization. If anyone does, the organization will be capable to overcome it. The mother document further contains the bifurcation of the branches, functions, and hierarchy of each branch and working relationship between these branches. They ultimately culminate into central management to whom all branches report. The mother document or the guidelines, made in pursuance of it, may provide procedure of hiring of staff and terms and conditions of their employment. The organization adopts well-defined laid-down procedure of removal of staff from the employment. They know their boundaries of working and limitations of independence. Every member of staff knows one's job assignment and objectives of the organization. Once being clear in duties and functions, all staff serves with vigor and zeal in the interest of the organization. Thus such environment takes place that owner of the organization also feels compelled to serve for it instead of only minting money. The making of mother document, guidelines, policies, and standing operative procedures etc. is not enough. Their periodical review is equally important. Flowing water is important for health of mankind. Stagnant water smells and becomes non-useful. Simultaneously, if the mother document and subsequent documents are not reviewed with certain passage of time and according to needs, these may not remain important for smooth functioning and survival of an organization. Changing time gives birth to new trends and challenges. Dynamics of corporate sector is also influenced by national and international factors. It causes death of old trends and birth of new challenges and requirements to proceed ahead. The constant review of the documents may help to align an organization with new requirements. Thus, an organization may keep breath continued in this age of competition. Institution is established but its development is also pivotal. Institutional development provides organization an opportunity to keep reforms continued in its larger interest. Such an organization may emerge as a model for other organizations to achieve objectives and attain zenith.